Hello, creative community. It's Cami Polvo here, your creative self-awareness and intentional creativity coach and guide, here to talk to you about metacognitive doodling. So the page before you is halfway done. That is because my first pass at the video, I did a time lapse and it got corrupted somehow and I haven't been able to fix it. So we're starting at the middle, and it's just going to have to be good, right? So this is the inquiry for this particular metacognitive doodling is about bringing it to nature. So how does being in nature affect me, right? Get in touch with your thoughts and feelings and understanding yourself with nature. So I have a six-step process here that I'm going to go through. Step 1, you notice, how do you feel before you even start this doodling process? How do you feel? Step 2, doodle anything while thinking about the inquiry topic. This particular one is going to be about being in nature, as I said. Step 3, journal, write what you thought about. Step 4, notice. So after you've done the thinking about thinking, you journaled about those thoughts, now you're going to look over your thoughts and go, oh, yeah, I'm noticing different things that I just wasn't really aware of about myself. I'm noticing I have a pattern of really enjoying this kind of thing in nature, but not that kind of thing in nature. Or I'm noticing that the themes are 9 times out of 10, I most enjoy being in nature alone or with people. Or I like to be in nature doing something versus just relaxing, right? Things like that. You notice the patterns and themes that relate to you. Those are just some ideas. Any I am statements, I'll talk about that later. Any powerful behaviors or attitudes that you're noticing about yourself or maybe even others that are involved in the nature experience that you had. If applicable, identify any wants, needs, strengths, limitations, motivations. And we will talk about those in later videos. Step 5, notice how you feel right now. So this side of the page is like the processing, right? Check in, process, second check in. Right? Now, how do you feel? Now with all those awarenesses and ahas and getting concrete and succinct with what is and what is not, you learn about your true beliefs and your false beliefs. Meaning making, all kinds of stuff happens when you do metacognitive doodling process. I know I'm throwing out some words that you probably haven't heard me talk about before. I will share a lot more of that in upcoming videos. Step 6, make an intentional plan. What do you want to change? What do you want to begin? What do you want to end? What do you want to embrace? What do you want more of or less of? And there's, infinite amount of questions to get to an intentional plan. But the whole point of being self-awareness is, what am I going to do with this self-awareness? Well, how am I going to be differently? You're a human being, not a human doing, but you do need to take action. You need to be the real you, the authentic you who is designing their life to make them happy. Nobody else can make you happy but you. People can contribute to your happiness, absolutely, 100%. But ultimately, you are in charge of your state of emotion, your state of life. You can make choices to get in and out of bad situations. Trust me, I've been there. and made some pretty hard choices. Packed my home up and left out of the blue. So been there, done that. Done a lot of significant changes for my life to be better. Making choices is a big, huge attribute to self-awareness, is what choices are we making. All right, hopefully that helps you. Hope you enjoy the process. I will be coming back to you with videos on each one of these. So at a minimum 6 videos. I have a feeling it's going to be more than 6 videos, but I'll deep dive into each one so that you can get a better understanding of this metacognitive doodling process. Thank you, and hope you enjoy watching me complete the video, or complete my doodle.
I can't do